Hey friends, welcome back to the Health Vault, your one-stop space for natural health tips, remedies and real wellness wisdoms that actually work. If your hairbrush is catching more hair or you are seeing stands on your pillow every morning, don't panic. Today I am sharing 5 powerful natural remedies that can stop hair fall in its track, boost hair growth and bring back that thick, healthy shine, and all without spending thousands of salons or buying chemical loaded products. And trust me, these are simple, proven, and you are probably have most of these ingredients right in your kitchen. Now let's know the remedies. Are you ready to know? Let's get started. Remedy 1: Onion juice scalp massage. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Onion juice? Really? But hear me out. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which boosts blood circulation to your hair follicles and strengthen them from the root. This means less breakage and faster growth. Here is how to make it. Peel and blend 1 medium onion. Stain the juice using the thin cloth. Apply directly to your scalp with a cotton ball. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash off with mild shampoo. Do this twice a week and you will start noticing less hair fall and even tiny baby hairs sprouting. Yes, the smell is not glamorous, but the results are worth it. Remedy 2: Aloe vera gel nourishment. If your scalp feels dry, itchy or irritated, that could be causing your hair fall. Also, aloe vera gel is natural healer. It moisturizes the scalp, reduces dandruff and creates the perfect environment for hair growth. Simply cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel and massage it into your scalp. Leave it for at least 30 minutes before you are bathing. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. It's cool, refresh and your scalp will thank you. Remedy 3: Fenugreek seeds hair pack. Fenugreek or methi seeds are loaded with protein, nicotinic acid, both amazing for repairing damaged hair and preventing breakages. To make the pack, soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight. In the morning, grind them into a fine paste. Apply the paste from your roots to the tip. Leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, then wash with a lukewarm water. Use this twice a week. Your hair will feel stronger, softer, and you will notice reducing hair fall in just a week. Remedy 4: Coconut oil and curry leaves infusion. You know how our grandmas have always thick, beautiful hairs? One of these secrets: coconut oil infused with curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that strengthen hair roots and restores natural pigment. Here is how to make it. Take half a cup of coconut oil and handful of crushed curry leaves. Heat until the leaves turns slightly crisp. Let it cool, stain and store in a bottle. Massage your scalp with this oil twice a week. Not only will reduce your hair fall, but it could also help delay premature graying. Remedy 5: Egg and yogurt protein mask. Sometimes hair fall is simply because your hair is weak and unnourished. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin, while yogurt nourishes and conditioners. Mix 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a teaspoon of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave for 20 to 25 minutes, then wash with cold water and mild shampoo. Use once a week for shiny, strong and breakage-free hairs. Now, while these remedies works wonders, remember, hair fall can also be caused by stress, poor diet and lack of sleep. So, along with these remedies, try to eat a balanced diet rich in protein, iron and vitamins. Stay hydrated, manage stress through meditation or light exercise. Healthy hair starts from inside to out. So there you have it. 5 simple, effective and natural remedies to stop hair fall and get your hair looking its best again. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. If you enjoyed today's tips, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the Health Vault and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss out the next natural health tips. Remember, healthy hair is happy hair and your wellness journey starts here. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy.